Hello and welcome. My name is Abel Carrillo. I am here at Bumble Bee Sunland Park. It's the start of the school year, and the teachers are inside preparing for their open house. So let's go and check it out. Welcome to today's pre-K open house. This visit gives families a chance to explore the classroom, meet the teachers, and get a feel for the learning environment. It's an important first step in helping children feel comfortable and excited about starting school. For many students, pre-K is their first experience in a classroom setting. Being here with their families helps them feel safe and supported as they begin this new adventure. Parents and caregivers also get a chance to learn more about the daily routine, ask questions, and see how the school supports each child's growth, play, and exploration. By attending today, families are showing their children that school is a special, supported place and that everyone is in this journey together.